you for your asking. Okay, let's start our lesson by checking your home test. What was your home test?
Check yourself 6.
Check yourself 6, yes? And as I remember, it was about finding the derivative of functions. Yes? Let's start checking. Whom I checked already, you can get by flower on the board, guys. There have some tasks for repeating our last topic. Please, Suzvin, Alina. Yes, after this, you will put answer of x2. That's all. So do you have a question about our last topic? By quantitative rule, maybe about chain rule. So was there anything misunderstandable or it was okay? Yes, I think. And we practiced about 3 hours, 3 lessons during 3 lessons for last topic. So please, here we have some tests for repeat our last topic. Get by flower. Ali, Ulzhan. There you have a question which you should find the derivative of the function, given function, okay? And then I will check. Let me get by one flower. Okay. So your task is to find f prime of x or the given f of x, right? If you finish, just call me. I will show you. I will check it, okay? So our today's new topic is linear approximation. In some books, you can meet them as a linearization. It's the same. So linear approximation, we will define by this formula. L of x is equal to the f of a plus f prime of the a and x minus a. You can ask what is a, yes? A is the given point. It will be given linear equation. You know this topic from 7th grade. What was the equation of the straight line? Who can you say me?
Y is equals to kx plus b.
Right. Good job, thank you. Y is equal to kx plus b, right? So let's imagine this is some function which will be defined by this graph, and take one point of this graph and we have straight line which will intersect at this point with this our function. And we know if it will be defined by the a is equal to kx plus b, let's be this point as m. A and f of a, right? So, and here we remember about tangent slope, right? About tangent slope, about m or tangent slope. What was the tangent?
Tangent slope is equal to...
Can you write, please? And there was something about limits, yes?
Yes.
Okay, good job, yes? Right? Good job, thank you. So, by this limit except 0 to write the equation of the line, right? So from this comes out this linear approximation. F of A is the meaning of the function, given function, at the point, at given point. For example, given function f of x is equal to x cubed, x power 3, and point A is equal to 2. We need to write the linear approximation of this function. L of x is equal, we don't know, what is it? So f of A is the meaning of our function at the point A. It means instead of x, we have to put A, right? So it will be A cubed or 2 cubed, as you see, is equal to the 8, right? So the second part of the formula is f prime of A. It's the derivative of the function at the point A. To find f prime of A, of course, we need to find what? At first, derivative of the function. So f prime of x is, if the function is x cubed, the derivative is
3x squared.
right, 3x squared. So after finding the derivative, we will put instead of x again 2. So it will be 3 multiplied by 4 and 12. So all necessary parts of the linear approximation we have, right? Then let's write the formula. L of x is equal to f of A is 8. So plus f prime of A is
3x
12. So instead of x, just x, and minus instead of A is 2, right? And after this step, you should do simplify. I mean open the brackets. So 8, 12x minus 24. So, or it will be 12x minus 16, right? So that is the linear approximation of this function. So let's start writing. So it was the simple equation for our new topic, and of course we will continue. Let's write this. Okay, do you have a question about this?
Sure.
Yes.
Why do we need a linear number?
Why do we need this linear approximation? Yes, good question. So how do you need the numbers like 3.9 or 3.1? That's the 3.99. Can you find the real meaning of this root number? You can use calculator, of course, yes? And you can calculate what is it, approximately meaning of this number. But, and it's the way how to find, in math, how to find the meaning of this number without any techniques, I mean calculator like this. So how? If it's the type of function, like root x, right? And instead of x, we have this number. So, I'll use this example again. So to find, for example, 1.01 with the power cube, and approximately meaning of this number. What is it? So instead of x, a is equal to 1. A will be this number till the point, okay? That's the whole part. And if x cubed is approximately is equal to the 12x minus 16, 1.01 cube approximately will be 12 multiplied by 1.01 minus 16. Let's calculate it. For the cases like this, we will use this formula 12 multiplied by nth of x, 1.89. So let's calculate it. It will be
7.88.
7.88. Do you see it's less than 8? So 1.99 cubed, approximately 7.88. It's the way how to use our linear approximation for the finding approximately meaning of the numbers, like this. Okay. So now let's start doing exercises. Check yourself. 7. Check yourself. 7. Who wants to come to the board? Okay. Let's try to the first one. Let's try to answer the first one. Can we clean this part just? Yes. So, and check yourself. 7, the first one. So, type of the function is root function, yes? And you will solve to your copybook, please. So how are you solving? F of x is root x plus 2.
Yeah.
And we need to find the meaning of this number. Yes? So then, so if you have a question, you can ask. Do you have a question?
No.
Let me check f prime of a, the meaning of the function at the point a, after finding the derivative. Okay, all of them under the model, 1/4 is correct, 1.25. Then L of x. She's solving step by step as I show you. And always keep this way, okay? First step is you will find the meaning of the function at the point A. Second step is you will find derivative of the function, any function, doesn't matter. What is the function? So last step, the third step is finding the meaning of the function at the point A, derivative of the function. The last one, you will put all of them to the L of x, to the linear approximation. So comes out, okay, with another words, can I have your marker? So with another words, from the root 3.919, approximately we get this number, 1.9975. So you can check with your calculator and you will get this number. So I hope that today's our topic was understandable for all of you. And your home task will be to finish, check yourself, 7. Okay? See you next lesson.
Thank you.